You want to make your GoHighLevel dashboard look like a brand? In this video, I will show you how you can do that. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description if you want to get the 30 days free trial link and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses from the GoHighLevel. Okay, so check the link and let's get back to the video. Now to customize your dashboard, you have to be on the page, I mean the GoHighLevel login page. After that you have to be on this dashboard, and now you can see there is a little pen icon here. So just click on this edit dashboard. Now you can see you have this dashboard widgets. So if you want, then now you can rearrange the widgets, and if you want, then you can change the color. So to do that, just click on this add widget, and here you have to be on this theme tab and you can change the color. So you can use this template, or if you want, then you can go with this custom color and you can change the color as you want. So here you can customize all of the color. To add a new widget, you have to be on this tab, the widget, and you can see there are some widgets pre-built available. If you toggle this, then you can see under this section there are a lot of widgets available. So if you want, then you can add the widgets in your dashboard. Okay, so if you want to add an element, you can also do that from here, and if you want any custom metric, you can create that. So that's it. Basically, this is how you can change the color, you can add new theme, and you can rearrange the widget in your dashboard. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.